Yeah, friends.
Hello friends, welcome. Today we would like to introduce you our coffee maker, Turkish coffee maker. If you will see, this one is new and improved with sound alert system. Here we have also shown the icon, you will see here. This goes up to 400 to 480 watts, comes in two colors. Here this side also, if you will see, the same we have mentioned but in the different way. Let's do the unboxing and see. Also comes with measuring spoon. We'll do the unboxing now. Here is the product. Now we'll demonstrate and show you how to make the coffee. This is the coffee powder. Let's do the demonstration. Here friends, if you will see, we have filled the cup with the water which has mentioned here the max. Let's fill the coffee and on the machine and see the demonstration. Yeah friends, so now you can see here, as we have mentioned, this is the new and improved with sound alert system. Here it is. Once the sound alert system comes, that means your coffee is ready. You can pour in the glass and have a great coffee with your friends and with your family. Thank you friends, thank you so much.